Hello, and I'm guessing you know why I'm at this table right now. Because I have more slime. It's kind of the same slime, except I mixed it in with a different slime, and I put little beads in this, like this, that little red right there, and then I put these cracking beads. Where is it? I'm trying to find one. Put these little cracking beads in it. So you can make cracking noises. It's pretty good. And if my friend ever sees this video, I'm gonna cry. So right now I'm just squishing it right now. I'm squishing it. See, and I'm gonna stretch it. See, I added some whipped cream to, not whipped cream, shaving cream to make it stretchy. So now it's pretty stretchy. I'm stretching it really far, so that's how far I stretched it. And like, did you guys hear that pop? Look at all that. I know my friend was telling me about how she just wants to poke the slime with my friend. Let's just call her Jenny. If Jenny is watching this video, then here you go. So yeah.